quarantine notice. I'm under quarantine. My birds are here for them. They're here for them. They asked me to put them up front. I put them up front. I've locked up the dogs. I've done everything that they've asked of me to do. But don't walk to him, Gina.
He just wants to grab you alone, you know, without anybody.
He doesn't want to be recorded, Gina.
Yeah, that's...
You have the right to talk to him in front of people while being recorded. You have that right. Especially since he just went and took photos of every single one of us that are here right now. And he took photos of your backyard and asked the neighbors to check the back of your property. I don't know if you knew that. Officer, can I talk to you?
Ma'am, I just talked to this lady. I can't talk to all you guys.
Excuse me. I'm the homeowner.
Okay, well, put the phone down. You want to talk to me? I mean,
I've already given consent.
Okay.
I've already given consent for them to come and use my place. They drive here, day and night.
He's pretending to be taking notes, counting how many birds he has, and
they're actually writing down the plate numbers of everyone who's parked out front.
so he's taking pictures of the chickens, like they don't have enough information about them. All they have to do is just go online and get videos of the chickens, you know. I mean, to me, he looks more sick than these birds right here. They are more sick than these birds, that's for sure. These are healthy birds, beautiful girls.
Unfortunately, our people feel based on the numbers and the level of which people scream and yell at it and call them certain names. So it's not fair to our workers. We don't hate you guys. We're doing a job, and that's all there is to it. Okay? We are not going to do anything. Our job is to protect you. Their job is to protect you. And us.
What about the people that have been stalking her the last couple of weeks?
I'd love to talk with you more.
I've been being stalked.
Well, we're not stalking. Okay?
There
might be surveillance coming through, just kind of keep an eye on the property and see what's going on. We'd love to talk with you one-on-one, but that's not the case. So, when you're willing to, I would love to sit down and chat with you. You look like a very reasonable woman, and I think that you and I can have a good conversation.
I'm nervous. I'm shaking day and night.
There's no reason to.
There is a reason. She has birds that are her pets that aren't sick that are being killed for no reason.
Okay.
What is your name?
I can reach out to you. I have your contact information.
Please call me. Please call me back.
I'd like to talk with you though. Okay? Not everyone.
I hope you realize though that there's always going to be somebody here with her, right? You guys understand that? Well, how much longer is it going to take for them to figure their stuff out? But anyway, the people who are out here,
and it seems
to do anything with people around with cameras rolling. So these guys they were out here actually taking photos of every single car and every single license plate that they could take photos of. So they've taken photos of everyone's license plates out here. They've taken pictures of everybody that's here at Gina's house. They've gone to Gina's neighbors and asked them if they could have access to their backyard so that way they could see. If there's anything else in Gina's backyard, they nicely declined. Thank you.
Oh, I love how he's just spraying his shoes with Lysol.
He's spraying their shoes with Lysol. They didn't spray their shoes when they got out of the car.
No, I know. That's
but
funny.
They're spraying their shoes when they leave. Looks like we have a concerned neighbor over here. But, you know, they've got all of their license plates and, you know, they can just keep intimidating us. Poor Gina's over here. Who knows what they even came here for?
To harass.
Hey,
goodbye, people.
Did you hear? Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Arizona license plate, Chevy Malibu.
and I am going up.
Did you hear what he told Roger?
What did he tell Roger?